is Lake Mead, and this is the historic rail trail out to Hoover Dam. Gonna head over and cross into Arizona tonight, do a little stealth camping at Hoover Dam, and I don't know, then refill water there and go explore some more desert, see what else there is. Maybe bounce along the Colorado River for a while. Pretty sure I can filter that for a while until my Sawyer mini clogs, and then be in the desert somewhere. I guess at least 2 people died this summer hiking out to where I'm going to be going, but that's summer and this is winter, and we actually got a cold spell coming up. It's supposed to be for starting tomorrow, I believe, next couple days. Maximum 50 degrees during the day, probably mid 40s, and then low 30s at night. So almost may as well be in New England if it wasn't for this damn fine scenery here in Nevada. Loving this historic rail trail. Oh yeah, but it's the weekend, so there's a lot of regular people out. Alright, and these are the tunnels on the historic railway. I don't know if you can tell, it's probably about 40-foot high ceiling at least, I want to say. I'm no good at estimating distances though. But yeah, plenty of room in here for a train, carrying supplies. Timbers here, support timbers. Pretty neat stuff. I don't really remember how far this is out to Hoover Dam. You know, you'd think I'd pay attention to that kind of stuff, how many miles it is. All of a sudden I noticed that there aren't a lot of weekenders out right now. So I don't know if they come to the tunnels and then turn around, and that's as far as they go. Once again, do not pay attention. So I'm just out here wandering around pretty much now. Oh well. Well, looks like there's a shortcut heading down there, back down to Hoover Dam, or towards Hoover Dam I should say. And then there's the regular way, the old railroad grade, which is what I'm taking. It's a mile more. I think that was about a mile and a half, maybe 2, so total 3 to Hoover Dam. Unless you take the shortcut. But out here walking to see what it is, so, you know, walk it. Why take a shortcut? Got nothing else to do. I don't have to go to work. Not tomorrow, not the next day. No, it's a long time, I guess. Alright, and this is it, Hoover Dam. The end of the historic railroad trail, I guess. Came down that parking garage over there. Came down the elevator, even though it said no knives. I've got a pocket knife. But I didn't go on the tour, so that's it. Came down here, crossed Hoover Dam. Arizona time. This time of year, I guess it's about the same as Nevada time. Arizona doesn't have the time switch thing that everybody else does. That's it. Walking into Arizona now. Seeing what there is to see.